Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. Our viewer here recently ran a full system update on their Arch Linux machine, and now they're facing a rather frustrating issue with Pwvucontrol and Pwvucontrol. Every time they try to run either of these programs, they're hit with a segmentation fault error message. Quite the annoying problem to deal with, especially when they're trying to adjust their Bluetooth codec for better audio quality. Let's dive into the solution and see how we can help out. Now, on to the solution. It seems like there's a bug that's causing issues with Vulkan and GTK4 apps, possibly specifically related to Wayland. The workaround for this is setting the environment variable GDK underscore disable equals Vulkan to disable the use of the Vulkan renderer for GTK apps. You can give this a try by running GDK underscore disable equals Vulkan Pavucontrol in the command line. This should hopefully resolve the segmentation fault error and get Pwvucontrol and Pwvucontrol up and running smoothly again. In summary, if you're experiencing issues with Pwvucontrol and Pwvucontrol giving you segmentation faults after a system update, try disabling the Vulkan renderer for GTK apps using the GDK underscore disable equals Vulkan environment variable. It's a quirky workaround, but it should help you get back to adjusting your Bluetooth codec without any hiccups. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!